What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this look using the Makeup by Mario Moonlit Ethereal palette, please keep watching. Starting off with the Bobbi Brown face base. This stuff smells so good. Primer, moisturizer in one. It's like a citrus. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, and I am going out tonight with a girlfriend to a dinner just to kind of celebrate and spend some time together. So I have my hair in these pin curls, don't mind the craziness, and my shirt, I got toothpaste on it. For tonight's look, I'm gonna do, my outfit's really simple, so I'm going to play around with the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes Moonlit palette. Look at how gorgeous that is. I don't know if I'm gonna get into the blue tonight, but I do want to play around with like these glittery colors. I am gonna do my foundation first. I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation. This is in 4C. This is a little bit light for me. I'm going to add these bronzing drops. Just gonna mix it on the back of my hand. I think 2 pumps is good. This is a super illuminizing foundation. You can see the mica in it. I'm not sure if that's gonna show up on camera, but you could like literally see it in there. I've never done this combo, so we're gonna see how it comes out. I think that'll be a good match. I've been wanting to change up my filming station. I feel like often when I film, I get like cut out. Real Techniques kabuki to just put everything in. Where we're going to eat tonight is one of my favorite restaurants. It's called Doro. And it's this very small, like American style restaurant. He changes the menu seasonally. We're just gonna sit at the bar and have some really yummy food and probably a glass of wine. I do know the owner just from like going in there, and he's such a cool guy. And it's always nice to like go in and see him. That looks pretty good. It is a little bit light, this foundation, so I am gonna bronze it up quite a bit. That's quite a difference. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. This is the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Awakening Concealer. I have 2 different colors here, so I'm gonna go in with the darker one first. And yeah, I'm going out to dinner tonight with my girlfriend Morgan. And we've been friends a long time, and only recently have we really started to get to know each other on a deeper level. We're more like acquaintances from around town, like I'd see her out over the years. And recently we've just been seeing like running into each other more. So I asked her the other day at the gym if she wanted to come to dinner with me tonight. So I'm really looking forward to like getting to know her and just having like a good night out, you know, getting a glass of wine and like going to our little downtown area right here. Violet is with her dad for the weekend. So I have been like working on putting myself out there to have a social life. And it's funny, every time I decide to like make plans to go out, it's raining, which tonight it's raining again. We haven't had rain in literally weeks. And now, all of a sudden it's hurricaning outside. But we're still gonna go. I'm still looking forward to it. I'm gonna use the Huda Peach Pie. I do have some more unboxings to film. I'm not sure if that's like the type of content y'all wanna see. I definitely enjoy doing the unboxings, but I feel like I need to focus more on like makeup tutorials and vlog style content. Sorry if the lighting is not good. I'm like experimenting with switching things up as far as like the lights, because I can setting. Let me see. There we go. That feels more like true tone. I'm gonna set my overall face with the Laura Mercier. Do brows. This is the Morphe brow pencil in Biscotti. sit down, I feel like I just like run out of things to talk about. Even though I have all these thoughts going on in my head all day, and then I sit down to film and it's like crickets. Maybe I should start filming in the morning rather than in the evenings. That might be an idea. Do I do contour? I should have done contour before. Shit, I was gonna do all these cream products and now I just totally forgot. Then I'm gonna go in with my Natasha Denona. This is the Alloy Cheek Duo. Take a little bit of that bronzer and just really warm up my face. I think that looks good. Then I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty and Happy. Okay, now for eyes. So beautiful. Drawn to this like silvery, this white color and this steel gray. Gosh, and even the blue is just so beautiful. This super dense shader brush and go right into that darkest steel gray color right here. I'm gonna stamp that on the outside of my eye. Just on the outer V. If it looks messy, don't worry about it. It's literally going to be okay. And then I'm gonna take a clean, fluffy blending brush and just move that product around. Drag it out. That's pretty, just creating like this really soft gray. Then I'm gonna go in with my finger in this silver. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Just put that all over the lid. Ooh, I literally love that. It's so light and glowy. I think that's it. Honestly, I feel like very simple, straightforward look. Blueprint. And just tightline the top of my eye. Then the other side has this little tiny brush, so I'm just going to smudge that line. I am gonna go back over that line with the glitter, set my makeup. This is the lifter liner in On It from Maybelline. Lip Plumper in Petal Glow by Makeup by Mario. I am going to curl my lashes. Grande Cosmetics. Grande Drama. And because it's raining, I am gonna use a waterproof mascara. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex, the waterproof. Infallible. And I'm gonna go get dressed. I'll be right back. That completes the final look. If you like this video, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.